years ago, people worried that robots would take factory jobs. Today, the threat looks very different because the person competing with you might not be a robot. It might be another human using AI, someone who learns faster, works faster, or creates faster, and solves problems faster. The scary part, most people won't notice the gap growing until it becomes impossible to ignore. And that's exactly why the future of work may look very different than most people expect. Most people are asking the wrong question. Instead of asking, will AI take my job? A better question might be, what happens when someone using AI can do my job better than me? Because that's where the real disruption begins. Most people think AI will eliminate every job. History suggests something different. Technology usually changes work before it removes work. The real danger is becoming easier to replace, and when that happens, earning power often drops first. Imagine needing surgery tomorrow. Would you trust an AI completely, or would you still want a human expert involved? Most people already know the answer. Information matters, but trust matters more. That's why careers built around judgment, accountability, and trust may remain incredibly valuable. People don't just buy expertise, they buy confidence, and confidence is deeply human. You can automate emails, you can automate reports, but can you automate genuine relationships? Not easily. And that's why relationship-driven careers may survive longer than people expect. People still prefer working with people they trust. A business is built on relationships. Opportunities often come from relationships, and AI hasn't changed that reality. If anything, it may make human connection even more valuable. Millions of AI-generated images are created every day, yet most are forgotten instantly. Why? Because creation isn't the same as impact. People remember stories that move them, ideas that challenge them, experiences that stay with them. The creators who win won't just create more. They'll create things people can't stop thinking about. AI can tell you what is happening, but it can't tell you what move to make next. And that difference may become extremely valuable. Strategy is about direction, about seeing opportunities before others do, about making decisions when outcomes are uncertain. The future may reward people who can think beyond the obvious because technology helps execution, but strategy still drives results. Picture two people doing the exact same job, same experience, same industry, same education. One uses AI daily, the other ignores it. Who wins 5 years from now? This is where many careers are heading. The competition may no longer be human versus machine. It may become human with AI versus human without AI, and that's a very different battle. The highest paid people in the world usually aren't paid for effort. They're paid for solving expensive problems, and that principle isn't changing. AI can generate thousands of answers, but businesses still need people who identify the right problem first. That's where real value lives, and that's why problem solving may remain one of the safest skills in the AI era. When uncertainty increases, people look for leaders, not software, not algorithms, leaders. Technology can provide information, but leadership provides direction. Organizations still need people who can inspire, guide, and make difficult decisions. And those skills become even more important during periods of rapid change. If your entire job can be explained as a checklist, AI is probably paying attention. The most vulnerable jobs are often repetitive, predictable, rule-based. That's because repetition is exactly what automation does best. The more routine a task becomes, the easier it is to automate. Every major economic shift creates a simple divide. People who adapt and people who wait. History is surprisingly consistent on this. Continue. The winners aren't always the smartest. They're often the fastest learners, the fastest adapters, the people willing to evolve while others resist change. And AI may reward those people more than ever. 10 years from now, the biggest career advantage may not be intelligence. It may be adaptability. The future of work isn't humans versus AI. It's humans who learn how to use AI effectively versus those who don't. Some jobs will disappear, many will evolve, and entirely new opportunities will emerge. If you want more cinematic videos about AI, future careers, online income, productivity, and the future economy, subscribe to Future Flow AI, because the future rarely belongs to the people who react last. It usually belongs to the people who prepare first.